What's up guys, today we are looking at my knife collection. So let's get right to it. We have the Fury Midnight Express. I believe this is just over 2.5 inch blade, I believe, or is it somewhere 2.7 to double check that, but clip lock, release triggers on the inside of the handle, closes like that. It has this hand grip design here, has holes here, and it comes in black, and there's this belt clip here. I think, no, it is right-handed only, and yeah, it's a nice knife, nice size handle, and nice grip as well. Very nice knife. The only thing about this is when you sharpen the knife, the black on the knife edge wears away. So can you see where I sharpened it there? It's uneven, as you can see there. Nice blade. Fury Midnight Express. Alright, the next knife I have, I couldn't find the name for this, but it comes with this sheath. It's some kind of nylon material, I believe, and has this Velcro strap here. And there's a name on these types of knives. I'm not sure. It has this finger hole here where you can put your index finger. You could kind of use it with your middle finger, but it's not as comfortable. So it has this very short blade, maybe 1.5 inch, and there's a slight curved edge to it. Don't know if you can see that. So it's nice for cutting rope and branches and things like, well, twigs more like it. It has this like this kind of pyramid embedded grip here. It's very grippy. Yeah, so it's very comfortable. It fits in the hand quite nicely. The blade is quite small. To use it is good enough. Yeah, no pros or cons. Actually, maybe, well, with these types of knives, they always have a holder. Like if you don't like to carry the holder, well then you can't. So that's the Fury finger hold style knife. Oh, and there's a belt loop here where you can put your belt through here. That's that. The next one we'll look at one of my very first knives. It's Talon, and it's a thumb lock knife, a 2-inch blade. So I guess this one is 3 inches. Sorry, this is a 2-inch blade. There it is. It's very small. It's a keyring knife. It has this mechanism here to unlock. What's this button for? This button was for a light. So there was a red light that would pop out at this little bulb here. Don't know if the bulb is gone or the battery is gone, but it's a very small knife. And it locks in like so. I like the design on this. It's kind of like this smoke green look to it. The only thing is, if you have it hanging with your keys, your keys will scratch the design off. But it's a nice little knife. It's a very cute looking small knife. All right, so that's the Talon. We have another Fury knife. Comes with this clip here, and initially I thought this was a shark, but there's no shark fin, so I think it's a sardine or some kind of smaller type fish that people would feed on. Anyway, this is a fishing knife, and the bolt here represents the eye. Then it has gills here, and then the back fin, I presume. And it has a belt clip here. It's made of stainless steel, and it locks like so. And this is used for gutting fish, as you can see with this part of the knife here. Yeah, so for fishing, you can use this to gut the fish. It's very useful. And it's quite nice as well. It looks like a swordfish when it's fully extended. Some kind of a swordfish anyway. I don't know the name of this knife, but it is a Fury knife. If you know the name of this knife, please leave it in the comment section down below. Appreciate that. So that's the Fury fish knife. Last but not least, it's the Fury Triumph knife. This one's it's medium-sized knife, and it has this kind of plate with the design on it. And this is like more of like a stainless finish. This is kind of like a matte finish just behind it there in the gray. There's a belt clip here as well. And the blade itself, I think it's 2.5 inches. It has this grain on it, which is pretty cool. I don't think I've sharpened this knife because I don't want to ruin the that grain finish. It's a very unique design to see that on the knife. And the mechanism to unlock and lock is on the inside of the handle. And there we have it, the Fury Triumph knife. So there's my knife collection. It's not a big collection. Knives are not my go-to at the moment, but when I was younger, I used to have way more knives, but this is what's left of the collection. So if you have any comments or suggestions, or if you want a more in-depth look at any of these knives, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bonus. So these are not exactly knives. These came from some, I believe, you'll have to correct me because I cannot read this, but I presume it's a Cantonese style comic book. It's from a very long time ago, and these are the swords that the main characters had. So this is the sword. It's kind of futuristic looking. Has this handle with the guard on the front there. They're not sharp. These are just toys. It's a cool design. Reminds me of like He-Man sword, but maybe more samurai style. And that's what it looks like on the picture. Don't know what that means. And this is another one. There's the picture there. It's like a samurai sword. But this one's pretty cool. It has this kind of samurai edge to it. And it reminds me of, this design reminds me of Lino's from, Lino's sword from Thundercats. You know, the way it has that kind of, is it the tiger eye or lion's eye, I guess, design on it, but it's very similar to it. It's pretty cool looking. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you these bonus knives. They're not actual knives, they're toys. Yeah.